Yeah, what's up? Yeah. Hey, B. When the next Zoom session?
Today.
Today? You count. It's already. What time?
Later, it's prime.
You gonna be mic'd up again? Next Zoom session?
I could be mic'd up.
What's up, man? We working, not twerking, bitch.
Yes, sir. You getting that motherfucker? That bitch tough. This shit tough, though. You said 120? What'd you say for this? 120? 110.
I was just trying to get your stuff to a cameraman. They said the cameraman never died. But this one, if he keep chatting, he might get fucked up. I
had to take over. It was good.
Okay. So you saying like what setting could you use?
Yeah, I'm gonna follow you on Instagram.
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna reach out to you. Because it's like a certain look that I want to go with.
What type of look you going for?
I wanted the Canon.
Right. Yeah. I'm going Canon.
Yeah, we trying to get
next. Like you gotta level up and shit.
I bought a flash for
Right.
I think it's like multimedia. It's like little
hard look.
Yeah, it's fire, but
Shit, we can go Instagram and I'll tell you like the settings and shit. What I be using, can you hold it? Just record this. But that be, you know how you feel about shit like that. Ah, yeah.
And I'm like, maybe I need to get something like that. But yeah, see, I didn't really want it.
I'm gonna call you back. I'm streaming right now though, but I'm gonna call you back. I got you, I swear to God.
I got you.
YouTube, I am back at it again from the video, boys. In today's video, we are going to the Streetwear market where Lil Yachty supposed to be popping out there as soon as I fix my car, bro, because my car has a nail in the tire, bro. There's always a nail in this tire. It's always a nail in this tire. I can never catch a break, bro. I can never catch a break. There's always a nail in my tire, gang. It was a nail in my tire like last month, and the nail was unpatchable, so I had to buy a whole new tire. Boom, dropped 200. Last week, my tire pressure started going down. I'm like, what the fuck? So I had to buy not buy a whole new tire, but I gotta plug it up, bro. Like this shit, like. So I'm at the shop, plugging up this tire. I'm like, god damn, this shit dirty. So I gotta clean this bitch too, chat. This shit dirty as hell. But if we get it plugged up, and then we're finna head to the barbershop to see Cuzzo, and then after the barbershop, we're going to the little Streetwear market shit. So it's gonna be lit. And yeah, man, can't wait to show y'all what we do today. Ain't no kind of fit, basis confit. Y'all seen this shit before, but we washed it. What you talking about? We washed it. Ass nail is making my tire go down. Fuck you. The fuck. YouTube, so right now we at this little kind of like street market shit that Yachty hosting. We parked the Scat and the Chrysler in the back over there. So I'm gonna go in there. Yeah, I know I'm on my streaming shit, so I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can, but I'm really on some streaming shit at the same time. So we're gonna network and shit, see how it go. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Threes, we go plain black tee, and then flannel. Beanie I got from where I get this bitch from? I got it from Manhattan.
Niggas gotta lie.
I got this shit from Manhattan, bro.
No, niggas gotta lie and say, and think where he got it from, knowing damn well he just said where he got this bitch from 30 minutes ago.
I got these pants from some like, I forgot. This will cut to my mind later, I'll tell you. Yeah, we got the base is a little bit dirty, but you know what I'm saying, something good. Yeah.
I know the smell for it.
Yeah.
Before, and I would never do it again.
They got a certain smell to it.
Watch out. Okay, yeah, that's probably gonna be my.
Hey, well, I'm gonna go both, man.
Niggas natural treatments with cologne and fucking.
I'm gonna go both. I ain't gonna bullshit.
That be fine.
Hold on, chat. I'm finna set up live. That nigga was with Kira. He was with shit. That nigga was with Kira.
You're not bad, my boy.
I've been seeing these bitches hard as fuck.
Like simple, man. You on?
That nigga got the QR code. That nigga got the QR code on there.
Hey, y'all go follow for me at BLA.
shit show.
We came here at 100 followers. Look where we at. We working, man.
Boys going up. Y'all boys going up.
For the shit show.
Alright.
For sure.
I can respect they grind.
I fuck with like I said, I fuck with the clothing brand community. I ain't gonna lie, these rosaries hard as fuck. That bitch right there, look at that one. And that one.
Look at this camera.
It's a VHS camera, right? Oh yeah, that bitch tough, chat. Hold on, chat, I gotta put my camera. I might have a lot. Yeah, 55 for rosaries. Alright.
And the bracelet's 33.
Razor 33, rosary 55. Okay, tight shit. Better. Yeah, Elijah. They're tripping. Remove it, chat, removing. But a bracelet?
Online, that shit probably 50.
What, a bracelet?
Online, that shit probably 50, bro.
I said tough, yo. That shit was tough, but they said 55. That bitch tough as hell. That bitch smooth. Nah, it's some calm shit, chat. Yeah. These bitches hard. I'm more so fucking with this one though, 'cause you can tell it's like, this is the same. Yeah, you gotta go different. You are? Nah, them bitches tough. Let's see. Y'all fuck with it, it's cool.
Is it good for, so I have it, I'm not a, I don't do that shit. So I feel a little dumb, like, with it, because I don't really know how to do the, like, settings and, like,
Okay.
stuff like that.
So you saying like what settings could you use?
Yeah, I'm a follow you on Instagram.
Yeah.
Look, because I'm a reach out to, because it's like a certain look that I want to go with.
What type of look you going
Like,
for?
I wanted the candy.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm going Canon.
Yeah, we trying to get
Next. Like you gotta level up and shit.
I bought a flash for
Right.
I think it's like multimedia. It's like
Yeah.
little
real hard look.
Yeah, it's fire, but
Shit, we can go Instagram and I'll tell you like the settings and shit. What I be using, can you hold it? Just record this. But that be you know how you feel about shit like that.
you got to do a thing that like moving around.
Ah, yeah.
And I'm like, maybe I need to get something like that. But yeah, see, I don't I didn't really want it.
I'm gonna call you back. I'm streaming right now though, but I'm gonna call you back. I got you, I swear to God.
I got you.
Alright, good. So you wanna be a cameraman?
At this point, I got a camera in my hand. Shit not gonna come out.
This y'all shit game? This y'all shit? How much rosaries is? 45. 45? And that's why, damn, fuck. This is why I need the mic. Oh, y'all can still hear me, chat.
I think they can. It's not.
Yeah,
I ain't
it's not
gonna-
OD loud.
The mic is not that bad.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And make room. If that was a 12, shit would have got bad. They said make room. I'ma just speak up real loud so y'all niggas can hear me. But yeah. I really wanna know where the fuck Yachty at. That nigga said. And if Joe's still outside, yeah, gonna get Joe. Think about this, chat. Show them this one right here. That bitch sucks. your shit? How much was that? 40? 140? What's up? The jacket hard too though. Alright, let's go. I thought that nigga said $40. I thought bro said 40. I was about to get his ass. That nigga said 40. I know y'all seen this shit before on IG. I know y'all seen that. That bitch tough.
She look like you.
Yeah, a little bit. Nah, I was gonna say she bad. I was gonna say that. I gotta follow her back on IG chat. Y'all remind me. I'm saying remind me like I'm not gonna post the video first. When I watch it back, I'm gonna remember. Follow her back.
So they had gas.
Huh? So they had gas? Oh, I know. Right here. Oh. Oh, I ain't gonna lie. I fuck with that. I fuck with that hard. Let's see how much they want for that. How much? 65? What's the other one? 65 too? 35.
Take the sleeves off it though.
Okay. That's different. That's different.
It's a little heavy too.
I seen that. We seen all this shit. We've seen all this shit. Yeah, that black one. Oh, that black one. I just need, I ain't gonna lie. I do need more rosaries. I feel like that rainbow shit. It was rain. That shit would have been tough. It was rainbow. We might have to go get that check. They playing Yachty too. Come right here. We need to see this. How much y'all want? 50? Just right here. Close up on that. Blinking? Have you blinking? I fuck. I ain't gonna lie. I'm fucking little bracelets and shit though. You got some new shit out?
Yeah. I got a watch chain.
They want 45. She sitting there making them bitches. I'm gonna make my own. You see her? Making them bitches. She made them bitches. It's tough. I've seen this too.
I never seen this shit.
I've seen that. Somebody had that on. Wait, did she say what to us?
Huh?
Did she say something to us?
I think so.
She was like, what? Like, I was dissing her. I'm like, nah, she making them bitches. I'm like, damn, I didn't know. I knew niggas made them, but like, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, you probably
Tired. I don't even feel good. Everybody got fucking barrels inside here.
I mean, you seen, you in a black community, this all you gonna see is fucking niggas with locks. That's that funny ass nigga. Check you out? Check him out, chat. And he said, yo, come check him out. 75? 65?
Yeah.
What y'all think of that? That bitch kind of hard. The whole set looks nice.
I like that. I like that package.
I'm fucking with it. it's a certain look. It's a look. It's a look. It was like it's just phone glasses on TikTok that's hard as fuck that I'm getting.
It is.
Yeah.
I had a pair. I'm mad as
Yeah,
fuck.
J-Rock got a pair. He left them in my car. He got them last night. Them bitches hard as fuck. There goes Shawnee up there. I see his ass. They got more. Oh, that's March. Everybody in the motherfucker. They said 55 for that. And over there, it was 45. Oh, damn. Everybody got a
Niggas is trying to go in front of us and behind us.
Really? Shit. We can't go nowhere.
We need to have a conversation.
We can't go nowhere. Check, we might have to go Samsung. We might have to go Samsung. It's kind of crazy how, you know, back in the day, if you had a Samsung, you was lame. Now it's, nigga, you need a Samsung, gang.
Nah, bitch, you
You need a Samsung, twin. You need a Samsung. Like you say, you be watching this shit. Niggas trying to get through it. We just got damn shit. We gotta get through that. We gotta get through.
That was nice ass that. That was nice ass that.
We gotta get through.
I don't like that hoe.
What? You see it? You know what that is?
No, she just laughed at nothing. Like she laughed because they dapped up. Like what the fuck was funny about that? No.
Pretty much walked around. It's some hard shit. I thought it would be more harder shit.
Yeah, it's not.
But it's something. It's more. The two toughest things I seen was that hoodie. It was a sleeve that you could take off, and then it was a rosary that they got going for
'Cause
We gotta pull up on beat. We gotta pull up on beat.
That he probably gonna remember.
We gotta, I need that.
He's definitely gonna remember you. I ain't gonna lie. Ain't no probably about it. I got it. I got 95%.
Let's pull up on him. He probably gonna say tomorrow. I don't even know where Brett went. You know, they whole crew here. That nigga low kind of tall though. You can't miss that nigga.
Nah, yeah. He right there. He a tall 6'1" ass nigga.
That's a tall. That's a tall thing.
He a loud 6'1" nigga.
You see the way he dressed though? That bitch. That's how I want to like.
Yeah, he just like a superstar.
Yeah. I'm saying glasses, jeans. Like that's the style. Like I be trying to pull off with some shit. Wait.
I think that's fun. Oh wait.
Where?
He almost got me. He almost got me. That's the pants. Like, are you gonna? Huh?
Nah, he talking on shit.
I think we were talking walk though.
No, talk walk. Yeah. Talk walk. But she don't. What up, nigga? Oh man, you chillin'? What you doing out here? That nigga shopping this shit. Bro, that's what I just said that. I just said that. Then I was like, bro, I was expecting harder shit to be here. I seen like two things. I seen a couple rosaries. I seen a hard ass hoodie. And that was really interesting. Oh yeah, for sure. I appreciate that, bro. For sure. Say up, bro. Yeah, networking shit. That's you know Darian, right? You know Darian. That's Darian cousin. Yeah, Darian cousin. He can hoop. I don't know if he hoop no more, but he can hoop and shit. Oh yeah. Hey B, when the next hoop session? Today? He out. It's already. What time?
Later, it's prime. You gonna be mic'd up again? Next two session?
I could be mic'd up. He said it's private. Type shit.
They said the cameraman never died, but this one, he keeps chatting, he might get fucked up. I
had to take over. It was good shit.
Nah, it was.
I think like what the guy that did start grabbing him too. Yeah, she's hood. Why the hell she got an OT jab?
She's not OT yet.
Christina!
We're trying to get out. Are we able to come back in with the wristband? Oh yeah, we gotta go. We gotta get it though. Yeah.
Ask him right now. Ask him right now. Ask him right now.
Can I get a picture for it? Yeah, I'm gonna chat. Shit, I'm gonna go. Yeah, that's up. Yeah. Oh, that's good.
I need to get in here with
Wow.
God damn, he done made a line. They made a line long as fuck.
I'm gonna take the hat off. It's small as fuck though. Think so?
That's a good size though.
Let me see for that bit. Further with it.
It stops a little bit above everything. This one stops above this, and this one stops above that.
chat, bro. As soon as we left, bro, Lil Yachty pulled up. As soon as we left, bruh, cause we had to be somewhere. As soon as we left, Lil Yachty pulled up. I'm like, damn. Well, I wasn't gonna be able to get next to him anyway, cause the security guard was dead ass pushing niggas from getting to him. But it's all good. Right now, we on the way to this little food spot for our family, little family dinner. I ain't going too much vlog that or whatever, but I know we're streaming tonight when we get home, so we'll see y'all then. But if anything pop up like between then that's lit, I'ma vlog it. So I'll let y'all stay tuned. Yeah.